everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I seal my 3D prints to get them ready for molding. What you need to start out with is something to seal. I printed these three on my 3D printer. They took between 5 hours to an hour to print. You will need a paintbrush, any type is fine, a cup of 91% alcohol, and your resin. I have already pre-mixed my resin. I am using the same resin I always use, which is Art and Glow. All of this information will be in the description box below. So I do a total of 2 layers on each one. And that's with at least 12 hours in between each layer to cure. So I just dip my paintbrush into the resin and I just start painting it on. After I finish the first layer on all of these, I will be right back. So now that the first layer on each one is done, when you are finished using your paintbrush, you stick it into the alcohol for a full 24 hours, and that will dissolve all of the resin on the brush so that it'll be ready for you to use tomorrow to do the second layer. So tomorrow I will be back to show you the second layer. We are back to do our second layer, and the first layer is completely cured, and it is super splotchy, but that's normal. It's because the first layer is going to seep into the print. We have the same paintbrushes we used in the last video, and they are resin free and good to go, so we'll be using them again. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did yesterday, dip my paintbrush in the resin, and then paint it on. You want the second layer to be more precise, since you're hoping it is the final one. Once I finish doing the second layer, I'll be right back. Just going to scrape off the excess resin and then put it in your cup of alcohol. It can be the same one you used previously. The next clip you'll see will be the prints being revealed from their molds.